success. This is Vin Famularo. He is one of our brilliant paralegals, and he probably has more wins, more reinstatements than anybody on earth. And Vin recently won a case where a seller's account was totally down because their ODR rate went too high. For those newer sellers, order defect rate, it just went too high. So what did Vin do? How did he win this case? So first of all, he used a tried and true formula for writing a plan of action. Root cause, immediate corrective action, and then long-term or systemic changes to the seller's business to demonstrate to Amazon that it will not have the same problem with you going forward. Number two, the focus when it comes to high ODR rates really is on the systemic changes. How are you going to be a better seller? And I think more importantly, from a draftsman's position, how you can relay that to Amazon staff in a concise and persuasive manner. And that's why Vin and the rest of our paralegal team, why we're so good at what we do, is because we can write both concisely and persuasively better than anybody on earth when it comes to plans of action. Vincenzo, congratulations. You won the reinstatement of this seller with the very first plan of action. There was no second plan, there was no appeal, there was no supplements. So Vincenzo, great job. And for all you sellers out there, all these calls to action, to call, email, text, some e-case online, you can reach me 7 days a week, 365 days a year.